throw up a few videos and some pictures of that, and hope you guys like it. Please like it. Watching Spencer on his YouTube. I was on the river fishing. Well, look at dinner. Let's see if I can add one or two more to it. Good morning from Robertson's DIY Homestead. A friend of mine and myself went camping the other night on the Catawba River, and we did a little catch and cook. So I'm going to throw up a few videos and some pictures of that, and hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments down below and give me some hints and tips on river fishing and camping ideas, because it's been a long time since I got into camping and I'm trying to get back into it. Y'all have a blessed day. God bless. Welcome back to Robertson's DIY Homestead. Tonight I'm out on the Catawba River. Going to camp a little bit, try to catch some catfish. But I tried my best at a canoe earlier. Damn near made it all the way down the other end. I am not good at that, and never fished for catfish on the river. So I've been watching Spencer on his YouTube channel and trying to learn a little bit from him, because he fishes the river all the time. But it's a gorgeous view here. Let's see if I can get you around there. But like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. So Spencer, if you watch this, I need some pointers. Y'all have a good day and God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right, update to my last short I just put out, that I was on the river fishing. Well, I threw out the that magic stink bait. Never used it before, and I got this pretty good eater here. So we're gonna bleed him out and fillet him up, and got my Tennessee hat on, so I'm gonna channel my inner Bill dance. So look at dinner. Let's see if I can add one or two more to it, and hopefully tonight they'll get bigger. Please like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's early. I couldn't sleep. So the the current has finally stopped on the river. So I figured I'd get up and get the fire going. Try to see what kind of catfish are biting this morning. It's probably about 40, 45 degrees. And I've fire pits up there, so I'm trying to stoke it up while I'm down here at the river. But yeah, I realized that my one little blanket is not going to cut it. But it is very peaceful out here this morning. Yeah, very dark. Cloud cover is crazy because, you know, when I went to bed last night, there was stars out everywhere. My buddy, he's in his vehicle up there, asleep. I slept in the tent. So I'm either going to have me a buddy heater for the next trip or an electric blanket. I got a power box that'll cover that electric blanket. But well, let's see how the day goes. I got a lot of yards to mow today. But it's 5 in the morning. Let's see if we can catch us some breakfast and get that fire going. Well, it's 5:30 in the morning. I got the fire stoked. Decided to throw out. And got me a nice little eater cat. Yeah, he's talking to me. I took a chance and threw it over near the bank in the deep end. It might have been out there 3 minutes. So, what a good one. Start the morning off with. Can't sleep, might as well fish. So let me get this joker unhooked and I'm gonna let it go. What a nice one. Start the morning off with. It's now about 6:45. The sun's starting to rise. It's pretty awesome to be out here though, because I got to see the moon rise last night. Now I'm getting to see the sunrise this morning, so not bad. Only caught one fish this morning, but that's okay. I couldn't sleep. But last night when I went to bed, the water was rushing pretty fast. Now it's just calm, and it's kind of went down. The dam, I mean, I know y'all can't see it because it's still kind of dark. You go up that way a little ways, and the dam's up there. But it's shallow now compared to what it was when I went to bed. But I think it's going to be a pretty morning. I love fall days, but I don't know if I can camp in them without a without a heater next time in a tent. But it sure has been enjoyable. Hopefully I can catch one or two more before I go home, because like I said, I get to go home and gotta go mow about 4 or 5 properties today. Real peaceful out here.
Old boy's out for a morning stroll. Getting him some water. Uh-oh, there's another one right behind him. I got up a little bit ago to cast out the poles down there, and it's fresh paw prints everywhere. Awesome. Just minding their own business. Having a good old time.